Previously on Horvath Farms. Hey everybody on YouTube, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to the airport for breakfast, and then we're going to fix the lawnmower. The tires are in, and we gotta get some grease and check on the garden. I don't know if by the end of the month we still don't have anything growing in it. I'm gonna replant the entire garden, so but yep, so come with us and hopefully you enjoy the show. And that would be the mower. As you can see, we got a hay field instead of a yard because we had to buy a new tire because this one is flat. And there's plenty of traffic.
What's the helicopter for?
For you to ask questions.
Now you put your there. Don't be all please.
There are airplanes out there.
Sweet.
Look at all the planes. There's not as much as there used to be. Let's see here. Parking straight ahead. Yeah, they got that way closed off.
Oh, there's an airplane right there.
No, turn right.
Whoops.
Let's see here. Here's the main hangar. Go back over here in this side.
Where? Over here?
Yeah, no, straight ahead.
Oh, I can't go straight ahead. There's the damn truck.
Yes, you can go straight ahead.
Yeah, we're right there.
That'll work. Hey, look, it's Ted's Kids vehicle. Lambazio Incorporated. Don't hit the hangar. Hey, we're here at the airport and we'll video the rest. So, see you after breakfast. Alrighty, Kelly's getting pictures of Jesse.
I already got my picture taken. I got 2 pictures of me. There's a military plane too.
Alrighty, we are out on the apron at Canton Airport, and you got an airplane out there. Back taxiing runway 18. There's Kelly and Jesse. This just seems like a shell of what it used to be. This field over here used to be full of cars, Those hangers used to be full of stuff. Now it's just blah. I mean, with everything that's going on, you know. And there's the wifey. Do you want to say something?
No.
He's not going all the way to the end.
Let's watch 3 of them take off. When Jesse really wanted to see her take off.
Yep, looks like positive rate, gear up. Looks like he might have had his flaps down a little bit. And that one's gonna taxi out and take off. This is just the shell of what it used to be. Wasn't that the one that took off a little bit ago? There's another plane. Because that's not that plane I'm hearing.
Okay, did that. I got you.
And now flip that tire around. See that zert right there?
This?
Yep, hook that up to that.
This?
Yes, Richard. And you're gonna have to hold it there. And
Like that?
yeah.
I need you to hold.
I don't think you're getting it in there. You gotta push it all the way down on it.
Can't get it on.
Wipe the axle off.
Dad, why do I set this tire?
Just chill for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, is it all cleaned off?
Yeah.
Alright, take some grease, put some grease on it. And make sure it's turn it the other way. Alright, now just take your finger and wipe it around the whole axle. Okay, Jesse, bring over the tire.
Okay.
Alright, now we're gonna do the same thing, put the thing on the tire.
Till it pops.
till you hear it hiss or pops. Okay, it's on. Now probably pump it a squirt or two, a couple squirts. Till you see it in the middle there. There you go, it's in. Nope, the other way. Turn it around. There you go, put it back on the axle. All the way up. Keep going. There you go. Wipe it around the axle there.
You pump it?
Pump it a couple times. Alright, that should be good enough.
You want to take it off?
Yep, take it off.
I get to moon today, Dad.
Yes.
And then I
Jason.
can drive it after?
Yes, but we gotta fix it first. Pull or do whatever you did last time, Richard, whatever that was.
I'm trying to trick, like wiggling it.
Hey, there's a piece here.
It's fine.
What's that?
On the mower. It says tires.
Bring that over here.
Looks like it came from tires.
Oh, that. Where's that other ring at?
Oh, that's it.
Put it up on the thing.
Whoops. Must have fell off when I set it there.
How?
It's already greased up. There's the thing down by your foot. Clean it up.
That's not that one.
No.
I don't know where that one came from.
See if you could still pump grease out of that. Yep. Stop. It still pumps grease out of it. So put some grease on that thing.
Where did I put it? Yeah.
That's good. Now wipe it all around. And put it back up there. The other way. Oh, you put it around both sides?
Yeah.
Alright, flip it back around. Jesse, come hold this. Right like that. You got it, Richard?
I think I got the first.
You go in. Is it on?
I need human.
No, yeah. I got it.
You got it? Are we on?
Put a little bit of grease in here.
Hold it. Yes, sir.
What? I can't right now because I'm recording it.
Alright, that's good.
And then I'll roll it.
Hang on, not yet.
That's your hammer you got from work.
Alright, you can stop recording there. Oh, hang on. Lower down.
Okay, I'm not happy. This one?
Yeah, back. All the way down. Alright.
I'm a little happy.
Now I hit the stop
Yeah, you can
button.
hit the stop button.
Yes, it goes.
Alrighty, we got 2 brand new tires on the lawnmower. I'm going to take them out. Hopefully they don't fall off. Hopefully our job's good enough, so let's see.